For the first step, select all the text if your Word document already contains writing. After that, the first thing we will set the paper size. Go to the Layout menu, then select Size and choose A4 paper size. Still in the Layout menu, we can also adjust the margin size. The margin size we will use is 4333. To do this, select Margin and choose Custom Margin. Then set the margins to left 4 cm and top, right, bottom 3 cm. And click OK to save the settings. Lastly, we will set the font type while all the text is still selected. Go back to the Home menu, then choose Font, search for, and select the Arial font. Next, the line spacing. To do this, go to the Home menu, then select Line and Paragraph Spacing and choose 1.5 line spacing. So, friends, it's easy, isn't it? That's how to edit text in Word using the format, 1.5 line spacing, 4 paper size, 4333 margin size, and Arial font. I hope this tutorial will be useful for all of you. See you in the next video.